It's morning, and the sun's waking up the solar panels on our PowerBank home. The electricity they generate is more than enough to power the appliances and devices that this household uses as they get ready for the day. Things get interesting when the panels generate more energy than needed. This excess energy is virtually stored in the shiny new PowerBank battery in Meadow Springs. Up to 8 kilowatt hours per day can be stored for later use. That later use bit is especially important during peak tariff times between 3 and 9 p.m. As our PowerBank family gets on with their evening, they're using the stored energy from the shared battery bank, saving them money. At midnight, when they're fast asleep and dreaming of an intelligent energy future, any unused stored energy is purchased by Synergy and credited to their account. Their battery storage is reset to 0 kilowatt hours, ready for the morning when it starts all over again.